Hey, good afternoon, Bob, Trade Genius, the 4th of February. I'm going to show you a couple charts here and show you that something that's breaking out and something we're watching next, and a couple things that are overvalued. So we have Hey, good afternoon, Bob, Trade Genius, the 4th of February. I want to show you some charts here. I'll flip off the futures here in a second, but we will talk about SPY and SPX, and I'm going to talk about some things that are probably overvalued, and also give us a clue as to when we think this bull run's gonna end, and also a couple things that are breaking out today, and something that we're waiting on to break out. So let's get started. Let me flip over to telecharts here, and we have this is the marijuana stocks, and they just had a big rip higher. Got a little inverted hammer here into the close, and money flows max 100. Stochastics are maxed, and it's pushed to the top of a 10% regression channel here. So it's looking back over a quarter. So I think this move is probably ran its course. And if you notice, a lot of the Momo stuff was going here, and to go along with that is that, here's GDX. I talked about this on Friday. I think this is going to pull back. Now, pull back like 8 cents, but I think the miners are all going to come back in. Gold pushed down a little bit on Monday, and now if this turns into a bull flag, it just shows you how powerful everything is. But we have right here we have a confluence of money flow starting to give way, and so we're just going to keep an eye on it. If it breaks above this thing here, then it's going to move up, another 10%. But if not, I'm looking for it to pull back, and it's just a little overbought at the moment. And then on the other side of the coin, this is what's been breaking out. So we got URA starting to break out. It's been sitting in this channel for a while, and we own UEC, and that popped a little bit today too, and it's starting to break out, and I think it's going to run to the top of this channel here. I think it's going to be a nice move. And then also with that is CCJ, and it's breaking out of its range right here, so, and just needs to clear this 1280 area, and I think it's going to go. So uranium's didn't move, which is really interesting, because what rolled over though was oil, and so it went down a $1.25%. It was down a little bit further, but it's starting to break down again. And if uranium can maintain and separate itself from oil, that's gonna be great news. And the other thing on the energy front that we're watching and we're just waiting for right now is I'm waiting for UNG to give us the all clear signal, and I'll probably go in if all three of these hit zero and take my shot. It's pretty washed out, as you can see already. And I mean, you can go all the way back to 2 years, and if it gets down to 22, now it has a contango effect, so sometimes it it's hard to keep this thing long term, so it's just really good for a trade. Kind of works opposite of the old XIV, but now we got VXXB here to play with after that thing pops and comes back down. So that's what I'm looking at here is UNG. I've been looking at some of the natural gas providers, but I'm gonna wait if we get a buy here, then I'll start looking at like CHK and Southwestern Energy and stuff like that to see if we can catch some moves with some shares as well. So, and just a reminder too, so we put together a killer special for the first of the month, kind of early bird gets the worm, and I've never done this before. We wanted to see if people are interested in really good pricing, and just going to do it till tomorrow night. So take advantage of it. It beats anything we've ever done before, and just an experiment. And if it goes well, we'll do it again. But take advantage of the pricing. You'll really appreciate it. TradeLikeAGenius.com, and go to the signals area, put special 1 into promo code, and take advantage of some really good pricing. We're just doing really well, and we want to make this thing affordable to everybody and have everybody take advantage of what I think is going to be absolutely crazy and profitable next couple years. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. Bye-bye.